Okay, so I'm going to continue with the spring doctor bread preparation. Earlier on, I made 2 separate doughs. One containing the wild leek seeds of forage for in Little France, near Craigmillar Castle Park, Edinburgh. I need some flour. Where is the flour? Right. Right, let me just put a little bit here. Alright, just a little bit. Good. So, here we've got the wild leek seeds. As you can see, the seeds are throughout it. The dough is ready. And secondly, we've got the wild garlic dough, where I use the marinade, which is pretty much a blend of 200 grams of water with some wild garlic rather. There we go. So these are the 2 results. Yes, so we've got our 2 doughs. What's needed now is the nurse gem, spring nurse gem, which is pretty much the new leaves from the brown elder plant. And it's time to be creative. Just flour it too. Right, so I need to half it. Take a little bit off. Yep. And then place the ground elder on top like that, or the nurse gems, and then we get a bit of the wild garlic dough, put on top like this. Yes. And then in this case I just leave the stems on. Yeah. And then another layer of nurse gems. The things you can do with forage stuff, I'm telling you, it's non-ending. And I'm sure there are people out there with interesting stuff that they use these seasonal vegetables to make, even juice, oils, all sort of stuff, probably medicinal stuff too. That's it. Yes, simple. Yes. Where is my pan? I had a bread pan. What did I do with it? Supposed to be another one. I had to. Where did it go? I can't find it. Never mind. So just put some flour in the bottom of the pan, and then turn this sideways, just like that. See? Easy peasy. Yes? And it stays like that. And then some more flour. And then we don't waste these. We can turn them into rolls. So this is what I do. Nothing too extraordinary. Just roll it up. Put it there. Some people probably use roller. I don't bother to use roller. It just takes its own shape eventually. So and that's that. See? So we've got our spring doctor bread ready to go through the next process of proofing before I put it in the oven. And I got 2 extra bits out of it I can use to make rolls. Possible sandwich with it too later. Yum yum. So I just need to cover them now. And then we'll put it in the oven to bake. Probably in another 45 minutes. See you then. Okay, so here we've got our spring doctor bread, and it's ready to go in the oven, and the 2 rolls I got from it. So it's baking time. Okay. So I'll give the bread 45 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius, and the rolls I'll give about 15 minutes. And then I'll let you see what it looks like. Okay, so here we've got our spring doctor bread. And you can see the little nurse gems here. Crispy. I'll have to leave it till later. It's not going to fall out. I should have put paper in it. And also the 2 rolls. Ta-da! So it works out in the end. Well, I can't cut this now, but I did one earlier, and and I made 2 rolls from it. See? So I'm going to cut into this bread so you can have a look. Let's see what awaits. Wow, look at that. Look at that. This is a spring doctor bread. Yes. And as you can see, the seeds, the wild leek seeds. So as promised from the vlog in Little France, that would have tried and make a bread out of it. So in the white section, you've got the wild leek seeds, and the green section is the wild garlic. And in between, you can see the leafy bit is the nurse gems or ground elder tip or fresh leaves. Now let's see what the rolls look like. Okay, I'm going to, no, it's the wrong roll. So this roll is from the first bread I made earlier on, from the same dough. There we go, look at that. You see the wee green dots, the wild leek seeds in the white area, and around the green bits is the wild garlic. So the question is, what can I make with this? So let's consider I've got the roll. So I won't do anything with the bread at the moment because both breads are fine where they are. But I've got the rolls and I think I can experiment with it. So you remember earlier on in one of the videos I made spring tilapia africana. So it's pretty much tilapia fish marinated with wild spring wild garlic in water and salt. Marinate, use that to make a marinade, and use that to cook the fish in a foil, right? So bits of the fish that's left, I add some mayonnaise to it, and I'll add it to the bread. So now this becomes, so this is a doctor bread, and I can use it to make a spring tilapia africana sandwich, because now the tilapia africana is in it, on it rather. See it? How versatile things can get. All forage stuff, apart from the fish. I have to buy the fish. Right, that's that. So I just cover it up. Oops, this way, I think, yeah. And that's a nice, yummy fish sandwich. Spring fish africana made with doctor bread. Look at this. Wow. Ah, isn't that great? Alternatively, I could make a vegan option. As you notice, I don't put any butter on it because the mayonnaise is already there, and I just think that's enough. You know. So here we've got our, it's the same pattern, so forth, yeah. And this time, it's a vegan dish. So this is one of my vegan product called Oy'Nissh, and it's made with vegan mayonnaise. And all I have to do, you notice I don't put any butter on it because, as I said, if it's got mayonnaise already, it doesn't need any butter. So it's a vegan, it's called a Oy'Nissh. It's got grated carrot in it. So I didn't show you how to make it. That's just some other product that I made. But I make a vegan sandwich out of this doctor bread. And this is separate for the vegan. So now we've got 2 vegan sandwich pieces, and we also have 2 fish sandwiches. So we've got spring Africana, tilapia Africana sandwich, and we've got a spring Oy'Nissh sandwich. It's a vegan sandwich with carrot in it and vegan meat that I made. And it's all made with the Dr. bread. And this is what it looks like. The bread. And the roll take on the same contour, just in a roll form. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And please share it with your friend. Let them know that there's some interesting developments here in Scotland. Thank you very much.